Actually, ang dami. Kasi first thing, gusto ko talagang matuto regards sa managing finances. Kasi of course, I'm a young professional and I'm just starting. So gusto ko ding matuto. And
mas naging wider yung perspective ko on saving. And mas naintindihan ko yung importance of future. So as early as now, kailangan kong mag-save, mag-work para mas marami akong ma-save in the future and mas maging prepared ako kapag nag-retire.
And so being here today, sobrang ang daming inputs, like you can pwede mo palang i-separate yung funds mo sa different na parang investment para if ever safe ka in the near future. So basically I've enjoyed and sobrang dami ko natutunan for today.
Okay siya kasi laid out in layman's terms, so mas maraming makakaintindi in simple words and very open yung discussion, so parang mas marami ka talaga matututunan dahil very welcoming and very simple yung approach nila.
Sobrang practical ng approach, sobrang na-appreciate ko yung the way na present yung sobrang simple, parang gumagamit sila ng pizza and yung burger and sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Sobrang dami ko natutunan talaga.